So, dear Congressman Ron Romulo, I'm writing, and also to the Senate na rin, to senators, all right? I'm writing to ask your support for the tracking of this bill on divorce in the Philippines. As a concerned citizen, as solo parent of Pasig, I believe that the current legal system of the Philippines, which only allows for annulment, is insufficient and inaccessible for many Filipinos, mahirap na Pilipino na kailangan talaga ng divorce. So, so yung introduction ng divorce law in the Philippines will provide a much needed solution for Filipinos who are in abusive and irreconcilable marriages. It will also provide a more cost-effective and efficient way to resolve marriages that are no longer working. Okay. So I am aware that this issue is a sensitive one, but I believe that the benefits of a divorce law in the Philippines far outweigh the potential challenges. And then I urge you to take action on this matter and support the passage of the divorce bill. So thank you for your attention regarding this matter and regarding this important matter. So sincerely, your constituent here in Pasig, Congressman.